Good morning, all of you. Music is the movement of sound to lift the soul for the education of its virtue.
Good morning. My name is Tanuja and here is my team. My teammates' name is Ruchi, Karina and Ashi. Today we all are here to discussing about what is sound and propagation of sound. Firstly, what is sound? Sound is a form of energy. If sound is defined as vibration that travels through the air or another medium, sound is produced by vibration. For example, the musical instrument like drum or dholak, they have a membrane. When the membrane is beaten, the vibration and the sound is produced. Now, I would like to call Ashi for the propagation of liquid medium.
Good morning everyone. Sound propagation in liquid medium. Sound travels more slowly in liquid than in solid because the molecules are tightly packed.
Now, I would like to call Farina for the propagation of sound in gaseous medium.
Propagation of sound in gaseous medium. Sound travels slowest in gas because the molecules in the list tightly packed. For example, sound travels 343 meters per second is in air at 20 degrees Celsius. Thank you.
Thank you.
A very warm good morning to you all present. I, Imam Lamani, with my teammates Albab, Prateek and Shushan are going to explain you types of sound while frequency. First, we have infrasonic sound in this blue ribbon, which is less than 20 Hz. Next, we have audible sound, which is between 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. And the last red one is ultrasound, which is 20,000 Hz. So, I would like to request Albab to tell you us more about infrasonic sound.
This is a type of sound that is too low for humans to hear.
Now, I would like to request Prateek to tell us about audible sounds.
Good morning everyone. Today I will talk about audible sound. This is the type of sound which human can hear. It starts from 20 Hz and goes up to 20,000 Hz. Audible sound helps us communicate to this music and enjoy nature. For example, we can hear birds singing and people talking and car driving.
Thank you, Prateek. Now, I would like to request Shushan to explain ultrasonic sound.
Good day everyone, let me tell you about ultrasonic sound. This is a type of sound that is too high for humans to hear.
All of these sounds may be different and they might not be audible to us. But other animals use them in their daily life communication. For example, the infrasonic sound is used by elephants, and rhinoceros for their daily life talking. And the ultrasonic sound are used by bats, dogs and other animals for their talking. So we must not think that these sounds are useless. They are also very important to us. Thank you for giving us your time.
Good morning everyone. I am here in front of you with my team members Anam and Atif. We all are here to discussing about different types of waves. Waves are disturbance that transfer energy to a medium. There are several types of waves: longitudinal waves and transverse waves. Firstly, I would like to call Akriti for longitudinal waves.
Good morning everyone. Longitudinal waves are those waves in which the direction of the particles are medium. Longitudinal waves move by forming rarefaction and compression. Thank you.
Thank you, Akriti. Now, I would like to call Anam for transverse wave.
Good morning everyone. Transfer waves. Transfer waves are those waves in which the direction of particles for particle movement by the direction of the wave. Transfer wave of forming crust and touch. Thank you. Thank you.
Reflection of sound. So, the bouncing back of sound wave by striking a solid surface is known as reflection of sound. It also follows the law of reflection as light. So, the first law of reflection of sound is the incident ray and the reflected ray both are equal. The second is the incident sound wave and the reflected sound wave and normal lies on the same plane. Now, I would like to call Siddhant.
Today we having a stopwatch. It is used to see the time duration of an event. and it will also produce a sound. Here we can use this sound, this stopwatch as a sound producer. The sound has been produced from tube 1 and sound wave will go to the tube 1 and reflect from here and came back from the tube 2. And this here I can hear the sound of this stopwatch. As through this experiment, we can see that the reflection of sound will be heard. Now, I will tell you about the echo. An echo is a reflection of sound, is a type of reflection of sound, and it can be heard after the original sound. And its minimum distance will be 70 meters. As you all can see, the minimum distance will be 70 meters. Here in a sound producer, the wave will go and reflect on the reflected surface and came back. And this is the time duration of a human ear to hear the sound is 0.1 second.
So, the multiple reflections of echo is due to the cause of reverberation.
How the sound produced with this filling fork and the strap. Do you hear the sound?
Yes, I can hear the sound.
But how can I hear the sound?
Let me explain. The particle in the medium moves to and fro along with the direction of wave and reaches our ear. And this is how we hear the sound. Now I would like to tell types of sound. There are 3 types of sound: infrasonic sound, audible sound and ultrasonic sound. Thank you.
Now I would like to call Mani.
Good morning everyone. My topic is properties of sound. First, pitch. It refers to how high or low the sound is. There are 2 types of pitch: high pitch, low pitch, loud pitch. It refers to how strong or weak the sound is to be perceived.
Now I would like to call Amna.
The speed of sound is the rate at which the sound wave travels through the medium. It depends on the medium like air, water, solid, and temperature and density of the medium.
Some applications of sound are music and audio. In health is ultrasound, in navigation is sonar, and in communication is speech. Now thank you everyone for giving us your attention.